Welcome to our channel. Managing your Gmail storage is essential to keep your account running smoothly and avoid running out of space. Follow these simple steps to optimize your Gmail storage. Step 1. Log into your Gmail account through a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Step 2. Check your current storage usage by visiting google.com, settings either storage, or clicking on the storage indicator in Gmail. Step 3. Identify large emails by using the search operator size.cf in base or has.attachment larger 910 mm in Gmail search bar to find space-consuming messages. Step 4. Delete unwanted emails with large attachments by selecting them and clicking the delete or trash icon. Step 5. Empty your trash folder completely by clicking on trash in the sidebar, then selecting empty trash now to permanently delete messages. Step 6. Review and delete emails in your spam folder, as these also count toward your storage quota. Step 7. Use Google Drive to store attachments instead of keeping them in emails, allowing you to delete the original email while retaining the file. Step 8. Consider upgrading to Google One if you need more storage space beyond the free 15 GB limit shared across Gmail, Drive, and Photos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.